Hey, what's going on guys? Today's video, we're going to take a look at the latest product in the market, and this is the MMB CarPlay adapter. Let's go and check it out. Alright guys, let's unbox this product. Just in case some of you guys don't know what this adapter for, this will effortlessly transform your OEM or factory wired CarPlay system into wireless one. Yes, it's wireless. No more tangled wires, it's hassle-free, and you don't need to plug in your data cable over and over again. So we got here the MMB CarPlay adapter. It's nice and it has very smooth glossy finish design. It's lightweight and portable with very solid plastic material. And at the back, you can see the product label. At the bottom of the device, you will see the USB Type-C interface where you connect the cable. Next we got here is the user guide or the product manual on how to connect this device in your car and into your phone. We also got two USB cables, one USB Type-C to Type-C, and one USB Type-C to Type-A. Okay guys, let's connect this device to the car now. This is very easy to set up. Simply put the USB Type-C cable into the USB Type-C interface of the MMB CarPlay adapter and plug the other end to your car's USB Type-C or A. There's two USB cables included in the package, so just choose what is compatible for your car. Now the device is already plugged in. Your car's infotainment system is ready to communicate with your phone to establish a connection. Now on your iPhone, go to the settings, go to Wi-Fi and make sure it's turned on. And after that, go to Bluetooth and turn it on as well. And mine is already turned on. Now tap this smart box right here to connect. Just tap the pair button and allow your contacts and favorites to sync. Lastly, tap the Use CarPlay button. Now let's just wait for a few seconds right here to get fully connected. And there you go. It's fast and easy setup. And by the way, this is only a one-time setup and you don't need to do this all over again. Whenever you enter and start your car, your iPhone will automatically connect to Apple CarPlay wirelessly. So all your compatible apps will be displayed here. And the good thing about this device is that it's designed with advanced Wi-Fi and a Bluetooth 5.2 support to ensure fast connections, no lags, buffering, and signal dropouts. Whether your iPhone is in your pocket or within close proximity, this MMB CarPlay adapter will still be able to provide uninterrupted access to your apps, real-time GPS navigation like maps, for you to enjoy a smooth and hassle-free driving experience. It's very stable and has a reliable connection. This device retains your vehicle's original controls, steering wheel controls, and seamlessly integrates with Siri voice controls. Enjoy a truly OEM-like experience, preserving the familiarity and convenience of your vehicle's original setup. So if you guys want to get one for your car, just simply go to my description and click the link so it will direct you to the official store of this MMB CarPlay adapter. As of today, it is priced at around 50 Canadian dollars. It's a very cheap but very functional device. But before making a purchase, please ensure that your car is equipped with the original factory wired CarPlay functionality. This is suitable for iOS version 12 and above. So there you have it guys. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you again on my next video.